Whenever you're involved in an accident while using a share ride company like Uber or Lyft, you still have all the rights that you would have under any automobile accident in the state of Michigan. The only thing is different is that the taxi or the share ride, not really a taxi, but the share ride is responsible for paying your medical bills and your lost wages, as well as being responsible for the liability of their own driver for your pain, suffering, and mental anguish. It's important to document the name of your driver because these guys or gals, they leave the company, they move on. Many times the insurance company attempts to try to claim that they're independent contractors, and therefore Uber or Lyft or the share ride company is not responsible, and the insurance company on the vehicle is the only party that's responsible. That's not the law, but they'll tell you that. Furthermore, in my experience, Uber, at least my own experience with Uber, they're very difficult people to deal with. They don't like these claims. They don't like to pay these claims. My own personal experience is where I had a lady who was getting out of a vehicle. The Uber driver backed up, ran over her foot, and then went forward and ran over it again. The medical bills weren't all that bad. They were like about $5,000 or $6,000, and of course she had a personal injury claim as well for his negligence. I dealt with these folks for a year and a half, 2 years. They acted as if we didn't exist. I finally had to sue them on the last day of the statute of limitations, which was 1 year, in order to get their attention. They reluctantly paid. They finally paid after litigation. So it's very important from my own personal experience that you contact an attorney, make sure that you preserve the evidence of the name and address of the driver, the make of the car, get your police report, make our claims against Uber or Lyft or the share ride driver. And it's important, I believe, and almost essential to get an attorney because these guys, they play hardball and they don't like to pay.